Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will see 50 fraction based questions with concept. First one, what is 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5 equals to question mark. See, first step is taking the LCM. What is the LCM of 3 by 4 and 2 by 5? That is 20. Next is 5 into 3, it is 15. 2 into 8, it is 8. It is 23 by 20. 23 by 20. A is the answer. This is the basic method. Now, how to find in terms of percentage? See, 1 by 4 equals to 25%. Here is 3 by 4. It means 25 into 3. It is 75%. Plus, see again 1 by 5 equals to 20%. But here is 2 by 5 twice. It means 40%. Okay. Total is 115%. Okay. But we want in fraction. It is 115 divided by 100. If we solve, it becomes 2, 3, 2, 0. Again, same answer. Question number 2. What is 7 by 8 minus 3 by 4? See, basic step is taking 8 as LCM. That is basic. Now, how to solve in shortcut? See, it is 3 by 4. See here, denominator is 8. Here denominator is 4. Make this 4 as 8. How to do? Just multiply 3 by 4 with 2. Okay. Now it will become 7 by 8 minus, it is 2 times means 6 by 8. Okay. Now it is in the form of a by b minus c by b. See here, a by b minus c by b. Here denominator is same. When the denominator is same, the numerator is added. If it is plus sign, subtracted if it is minus sign. Here minus sign is there. So 7 minus 6, it is 1. 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is the answer. See next to 2 by 3 into 9 by 10. It is 3 times 2. It is 5 times 3 by 5. Next to what is 5 by 6 divided by 10 by 9. It is in the form of 5 by 6 divided by 10 by 9. If we do 6 into 10, 9 into 5. It is 5 into 9 divided by 6 into 10. It is 2 times. It is 3. It is 3. It is 2. It is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is answered. But how to do in shortcut? See, it is 5 by 6. Here sign is divided by. Divided by becomes multiplication. And 10 by 9 becomes 9 by 10. Okay, this is the short way. It is 2 times. It is 3, 3, 3, 2. Again it is 3 by 4. Next, 5 by 8, 3 by 4. Okay, which one is greater? See here, 1 by 8, we know 1 by 8 equals to 12.5%. Here 5 by 8 is there. It is 62.5%. Okay, 5 by 8 value is 62.5%. Again we know 1 by 4 equals to 25%. Here is 3 by 4. It is 75%. Which one is greater? That is 3 by 4. Next to simplify 24 by 36. 24 by 36. It is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the answer. See how to do in short way. 6 is multiple of 3, 4, 6. See, one option is eliminated. 5 is not a multiple of 36. See, option C is eliminated. Next, 3 is multiple of 36, 4 is multiple of 36, 6 is multiple of 36. Take the lesser one, that is 3. Okay, denominator 3 comes. Next, again 2, 3, C is eliminated. See here again 24. Numerator is 24. Here is 5. 5 is not multiple of 24. Option D also eliminated. Now we left with option A and option B. Now again 24 is multiple of 2 and 3. Take the smaller one, that is 2. It means 2 by 3 is our answer. This is the short way. See next 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. First step is taking the LCM. Okay. See, instead of doing LCM, see first solve 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. It is 5 by 6. It is 1 by 6. 6 by 6. It is 1. 1 is the answer. In terms of fraction, how to solve? It is 1 by 2 means it is 50 percentage plus 1 by 3 is 33.33 percentage plus 1 by 6 is 16.66%. If we add all this, it will become 99.99%. It is equals to 100%, and 100% divided by 100, that is 1. It is 7 into 3, 3 into 6, again 3, 3, 3, 2, 2 by 3. Next to convert 1 3 by 4 into improper fraction. It is in the form of 1 plus 3 by 4. It is 4 plus 3, that is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is the answer. In terms of fraction, how to solve? See, it is 1% means always 100%. 100% equals to 1. 3 by 4 is 75%. Means total is 175%. Total is becomes 175%. We want in fraction, it is again if we solve, it will become 7 by 4. Same answer. Next, this is simple. A by B minus C by B. Here base is same. Just 11 minus 6, 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. 6 by 12. Again it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the answer. Next, again denominator is same. 4 plus 7. Again it is 1. In terms of fraction, how to solve? See, 1 by 7 equals to how much? 14.28. See here, 14.28 into 4. Nearly 57%. Okay. Again, 1 by 7 equals to 14.28. Multiply with 3. It will become nearly 43%. 43.57. Again, it is 1. Next, it is 9 into 9. 5 into 9, 45. Okay, this is the basic. See here, 9 is multiple of, 81 is multiple of 9 and 3. Okay, it means our option must be multiple of 9 and 3. 35 is not multiple of 9, 3. Okay, 40 eliminated, 50 also eliminated. Only one option is left, 45. It is multiple of 9 and also multiple of 3. This is the shortcut way. Next, what is the reciprocal of 7 by 11? A by B equals to B by A. That is 11 by 7. Option A. Next, it is 3 to the 6. 60 answer. Next, again same. Denominator is same. Numerator is added. It becomes 1. 1 is the answer. Again, 16. It is 16. It is 8. It means again it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the answer. Next, it is 2 times. It is 2 times. It is 1 by 4. Next, First, solve basic method. It is 42 by 56. It is how much? 2 1, 2 2 are 2 1. It is 28. Again 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the answer. It is basic method. What is the shortcut to? See, 56. 56 is not multiple of 3. Okay. 56 is denominator is there. Here denominator 3 is there. 56 is not multiple of 3. So option A is eliminated. Next step is 4 is multiple of 56. 7 is multiple of 56. Again 8 is also multiple of 66. Our step is take the small one, that is 4. 4. It means 3 by 4 is the answer. Again see here 5 is there. Here 42. 5 is not multiple of 42. Okay. Again 4 also. 4 is not multiple of 42. 3 is multiple of 42. 42 divided by 3. It is 12. Okay. This is the short way. Next, which is the smallest one? How to solve? See, 1 by 5 is 20%. 3 by 5 means 60%. Okay, it is 60%. 1 by 7 equals to, 1 by 7 equals to 14.28. It is 4 times. Nearly 57%. Next, again 1 by 8. 1 by equals to 12.5%. It is 5 by 8. It is 62.5%. Next is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 33.33. Double means 66.66%. Which is the smallest one? Which one is the smallest one? That is 57%. That is 4 by 7. Next to simple, it is 7 plus 2 9 by 15. It is 3 3 3 3 3 5 is 3 by 5 is the answer. Next divided by 20. It is 10. It is 1 by 2. Next simple, 4 into 5, 5 into 3. It is 150. Next, see, it is 5 by 12. It is 1 by 4. Here 12, here 4. Make 4 as 12. How to do? Just multiply this with 3. Okay, if you multiply with 3, it will become 5 by 12 plus 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 4, 12. Now denominator becomes same. Next step is, if denominator is same, numerator is added. 5 plus 3, 8. It is 4 into 2, 4 into 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the answer. Next simple, 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. It is 3 2 3 3. 2 by 3. Next, it is 2 plus 2 by 5. 2 plus 2 by 5. It is 12 by 5. 12 by 5. In terms of percentage, how to calculate? See, it is 2 plus 2 by 5. See, 1% equals to what? 1% equals to 100. 100 equals to 1%. It is 2. It means, see in shortcut to how to calculate to, it is 2 plus 2 by 5. See, 1 equals to 100%. 2 equals to 200%. It is 200%. What is 1 by 5? 1 by 5 is 20%, but here is 2 is there. It is 40%. It means 240%. 240 in terms of fraction. 0 0. Again it is 12 by 5. Next to 4 into 4. 5 into 3. 3 by 4. Next, see what is the LCM of 12 and 18? It is 36. 36 is the LCM. Next step is multiply with 36. It will become 12 2. 2 into 4 14 plus 18 2 times. 2 into 10 18 2 times. 5 into 2 10. it is 24 by 36. 24 by 36. See here, 12 18 LCM is 36. It is 7 plus 5. It is 36. Okay. Now next step is 12. It is 3 times. 3 into 7. It is 21. Plus 12 2 times. 2 into 10. It is 10. It is 31 by 36. 31 by 36. This is the answer. Next again it is 15. To make 5 15 multiply with 3. It is 11 by 15 minus 3 to the 6. 3 into 5 15. It is 5 by 15. It means it is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the answer. Next 5 by 7. Sign is divided by. Divided by becomes multiply, and 10 by 21 becomes 21 by 10. It is 3 times. It is 2 times. 3 by 2. Next 9 into 3. 3 into 6. 60 is the answer. Again it is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the answer. What is the reciprocal of 13 by 7? Simple. 17 by 13. 17 by 13 is the answer. Next again simple. Make 6 equals to 12. Multiply by 2. It will do. Again it is 5 by 6. Here multiply by 2. It is 12 plus 7 by 12. 2 into 6 12. 2 into 5 10. It is 17 by 12 is the answer. See next is, what is 9 by 14 minus 1 by 7? Again make this as 14. It is 2. It is 9 by 14 minus 2 by 14. It is 7 by 14. It means 1 by 2. Next it is 6 times. It is 3 times. Again it is 3 by 6. 3 by 6 means, see once again, it is 6. It is 5. 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is the answer. Next it is 8 1 8 2 74. Sorry, 84. 84 is the answer. Next simplify 63. 63 84. It is, see here, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the answer. Next again same. Don't take LCM as 9 or 9 multiple. Just make this 3 equals to 9. It is into 3. It will become 3 into 6. 3 into 9 plus 5 by 9. It is 11 by 9. B is the answer. Next 7 by 20 minus 3 by 10. Again make this as equals to 20. Multiply by 2. This is 7 by 20 minus 6 by 20. It is 17 minus 6. 17 minus 6 is 11 by 20. Next see, it is 2 times. It is 3 times. 1 by 6. Next it is simple. Divided by 18. Divided by 18. 1. Next again 16 divided by 18 1 by 2. Next 9 into 2. 2 4 into 2. That is 80. 80 is the answer. Next it is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the answer. Again 3 by 4 into 16 by 9. it is 3 times, it is 4 times, 4 by 3. Next, which is greater? See, 7 by 10 equals to, it is 0.7. Okay, it is 5 by 7 equals to, it is 0.50. okay, 50 by 7 equals to, see, it is 7. okay, 7. See, both are equal. It is also 0.7, it is also 0.7. it means C. okay, both are equal. Next is 5 by 8 plus 7 by 12. How to calculate? Take 12 as LCM. okay, if you take 12 as LCM, it becomes, if you become 12, it is 7 plus 7, sorry, make 24. okay, 24 as LCM. okay, if you take 24 as LCM, here if you take 24 LCM, 12 into 2 2, 7 into 2 14, it is 3 into 5 15, it is 29. okay, 29 by 40, 29 by 24. okay, D is the answer. Next to simple divided by 24, it is 14. okay, it means 14 half is 7, 24 half is 12. Next it is 3 times, it is 5 times, 3 by 5. See, last question, it is 5, it means 25. 250 is the answer. Okay friends, in this video we learned 50 fraction based concept with examples. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Thank you.